Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. So today we're going to be designing this poster. It's quite like, at the first look it's quite simple, but I really like the effect that it creates. That's why I wanted so much to make a tutorial about it. I really like how can you actually customize some fonts and then just using like very simple gradients to create this cool like fade in and fade out effect. So let's just start. First thing we want to do is just start with our new document. I'm going to use a 1700 by 2400 and then just press create. I'm gonna press tab to get my tools back and let's go. So for this tutorial I actually used a font from the website veveltin.fr. The font is Outward and you can just download it, it's free to use. And let's just go back to Illustrator. So let's just go, I'm gonna write fade out. Here I'm gonna scale this a little bit up. I'm just going to try to find the font, outward block. Perfect. Scale this a little bit more until it actually matches like the size of the artboard more or less. I'm going to select the font and then right click and then create outlines. So now we're going to start to customize the font a little bit. So the first thing I want to do is just press the direct selection tool here and select the top points here and pull them up onto the top. And then select the bottom points here and just pull them down. Cool, the next thing we need to do is just select our letters here and just apply a gradient. Just like this, on the fill, not on the stroke. And perfect. Next, let's just create a new layer, drag it down and go and make a really perfect a rectangle to make the background. Let's just press it like this. Be sure to make the same size of the artboard. Just press D and then invert it. Get the black background happening there. And now on the gradients, we're gonna just ungroup our letters. Let's just select one letters like this, like one is selected, the other one is not. So it makes like this nice computer rhythm here. And let's just go to our gradient tool here. Select our gradient on our fill. Actually this, and this. And let's go and change it to 90 degrees. And this one's here, we're gonna change it to -90, just like this. So just like this, you made just like a really cool poster and very quickly. It's a very like cool technique. You can even like, if you want to actually make the fade a little bit more stronger, you can select the letters, get your gradient tool, just push them down a little bit. So you can create like a nice dynamic gradient happening if you want to, which creates really cool effects as well. Let's just do a little bit on these ones just to test it. Just something more like this. Maybe this one can be something even more like different as well, and the same thing for other ones. You get the idea, I'm sure. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I know it was quite simple, but I really want you to experiment with this technique because I think it's very powerful to use, like customize your own typography and then apply these gradients and play on some like color effects as well. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and please, if you do, please like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I hope I see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.